Okay, I'm going to transform him now. Okay, so let's put up his hands right in there. Let's put his feet up. Okay, tilt the barrel out. Actually, you can remove this whole thing. It comes off rather easily. And, okay. Separate his legs there. Rotate him around. Okay, and now you push him back into there. That's it. That's a tank mode right there. He has these wheels. You can go back and forth. Right there, you just put that in. You got this rotating turret. Extremely long cannon. And there you go. Okay. One thing, okay, two things actually I'd like for you guys to notice is right, I'm going to take this off, right here, right there. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. That is a Minicon peg right there. And this one right over here is a Minicon port. Okay, so I'm going to utilize that in just a second. Alright, so here's a Minicon, and if you do a size comparison, you see he's just a little bit bigger than a Minicon. Okay, maybe quite a bit bigger, but he's definitely not big enough to be a regular size Transformer. But okay, so you get this guy, and you can put him right on there, attach him right onto the Minicon peg, and here's a submarine shaped Minicon, and this one over here goes into, can fit right over here, which is the Minicon port, because this Megatron has both. And now I can put the turret back on, and you see him right here, fully armed with two Minicons on him, and it's very, very awesome feature to this toy. Okay, so here is Vector Prime, and this is Megatron right here. Transformed him back, and these two are my favorite robots, Transformers, so to speak, and two of my favorite toys right there. And he has the Minicon port on the bottom of his foot, so I just attached him onto Vector Prime's peg on the other side over here. So Megatron is now attached onto his arm, as you can see, and he won't fall down. So both of these toys, excellent toys. My review was of McDonald's Megatron. It's an awesome toy.